I am honored to be here this morning with Tony. The reason being, I'm a cancer survivor, an ovarian cancer survivor of 36 years. Tony is struggling with cancer right now. I had the advantage of having insurance that I needed in order to be able to survive. And you'll hear from Tony about what he may be facing without that ability to get the treatment that he needs, the ability to pay for what he needs in order to survive. We're not talking about roads and bridges and tractors or other. We're talking about people's lives. That's what this fight is about. It is about making sure that health care is affordable, that making sure that people in this nation can have health care, lower their costs, and preserve our public health system. Tony, thank you. Thank you, and God bless you for being here this morning.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. My name is Tony Gonzalez, and it's been spoken, I do have a full-time job, and I have healthcare that I purchased through Penny. But at the same time, I find myself breaking even. I love my job, I love my career, and I refuse to go on to disability because I feel responsible to pay for my own expenses despite battling through cancer. I want to win that fight, and at the same time, I want to be responsible to my family, to provide for us, and give us everything that we deserve and we need. But at the same time, as inflation increases and expenses increase, I'm finding those premiums continue to increase, and those subsidies keep us breaking even each and every month. If those subsidies go away, we're going to have to make some very difficult decisions. What are we going to pay? Are we going to sacrifice food? Are we going to sacrifice utilities? Do we take a look at the mortgage and maybe give up our home? And so these are discussions that I and millions of Americans are having each and every day, and especially now if these subsidies go away and if I lose our health care, we're going to have to make some very difficult choices.
Imagine thinking about the United States and what we have tried to do over the years in making sure that people have the health care that they need in order to survive. This is in order to survive. And we want to take away the premium subsidies that allow people to be able to afford the treatment and cover the expenses they need to have the health care coverage that they need. It is unconscionable. It's not the values of this great nation. And overall, that's what this fight is about. That's what it comes down to. It's no more than that of making sure that we can provide Tony and his family with the wherewithal to be able to conquer this illness. Being a survivor, I must just say that the financial stress doesn't help you to be able to recover. It only adds to the physical difficulties that you have. Let us fight to lower those costs and preserve health care for Tony Gonzalez and for the millions of Americans like Tony all over this country.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you so much.